It's never been easier to get your hands on an at-home COVID test. And we all know that if you test positive, you should isolate and take precautions. But do you need to report those results? News4JAX consumer investigator Lauren Verno got that answer and whether a lack of reporting can skew COVID data.
If you test positive with one of those at-home COVID tests, what are you supposed to do? If you're anything like me, I went to a testing site to confirm my results, and those results were used in official data. But if you don't, do you have to let someone know you've tested positive? The short answer is not really. If you go to the Florida Department of Health's website, you'll find plenty of resources for COVID-19, from testing centers to guidelines if you test positive. But what you won't find is anywhere to report if you test positive. That's because according to the Florida Department of Health, they do not require Floridians to report at-home test results.
At-home tests, there's more access to it than ever. Our concerns that these people who are testing positive at home are not reporting, which is why we might be seeing these lower numbers.
Yeah, so I certainly think there could be some truth to that, particularly when we have a lot of cases.
But UF Health Jacksonville Director of Infectious Disease and Prevention, Chad Nielsen, says right now, that's not the case, as COVID-19 numbers reported by clinics and doctors' offices are down.
Of the numbers that are being very closely watched, cases are still falling. So there may be some truth that people are testing at home and not getting captured, but in the hospitals, we're seeing reduced caseloads and reduced positives.
Nielsen explains if there was an influx of people testing positive at home, then there would likely be an increase in hospital admissions, and they're just not seeing that. And it's not just Florida who isn't requesting those at-home test results. The CDC says the public health community, including the CDC, is confident that situational awareness remains strong without receiving these self-test results. I'm Lauren Verno, Channel 4, the local station.